Good morning, everybody. My name is Raquel Bautista Rodriguez. I am studying Bachelor English as a foreign language in the subject Material Designs for Face-to-Face Environments. As a topic, Forum 3, Unit 2, to follow guidelines for design teaching materials. Assessment strategies for learning in the e-learning model. Concept of evaluation for learning in the e-learning model can be defined as a system that measures the way and the degree to which the performance and goals established in a period of time have been achieved, or establishing plans for improvement to increase the degree or achievements of the same educational settings. In order to refer to evaluation strategies for learning in the e-learning model, it must be borne in mind that the evaluations must be articulated and structured according to these parameters, which are essential to ensure the validity and success of the training action. Those are according to the graphic information: performance, aims, results, and settings. Relating with the performance is tasks based on virtual context and tasks of peer assessments, of self-assessments, and hetero-assessments. The aims develop of formative and shared assessments. Results, which guarantees of knowledge accreditation in totally virtual environments. Finally, settings, virtual classroom, and synchronous tools. The following table strategically describes the common reference levels from a bunch of illustrated descriptions developed and viability for the CEF. These formulations have been mathematically scaled to the levels by analyzing how the evaluation of a large number of students. To facilitate understanding, the descriptor scales to the relevant categories of the descriptive terms can be evidenced by the following: CERR 2006. Common European Framework of Reference for Language Learning Teaching Assessment. According to this table, the common reference levels self-assessment is related with the understanding, speaking, and writing. The categories of understanding are listening and reading in the levels A1, A2, and B1, and reading in the levels A1, A2, and B1. Related with the speaking, the categories are spoken iteration and spoken production. And finally, writing, the strategies are writing, B2 and B1, according to the levels. Now, what are the assessment strategies for learning in the e-learning model? Assessment strategies that can be used for learning in the e-learning model are frequently performed synchronously and asynchronously. Different time is related with asynchronous, and the same time is synchronous. Same place in person and different planes online. Synchronous means chat, audio conferencing, and video conferencing are typical of the remote mode and are not used in the traditional way. Asynchronous means website discussion forum and emails are examples of me using in the evaluation of learning in distance learning, but very little in the traditional one, although they are gaining ground. Conclusion. To conclude, I consider that the evaluation of learning carried out with the learning models tends to: first one, Give a guideline to the tutor as a permanent evaluator of the student's learning. Second, the opportunity is given to evaluate in a formative way throughout the processes with different teaching activities, and they become evaluation spaces. Third, the evaluation of learning tends to be individualized. The evaluation process tends to be elaborated with planning. Fourth, the analysis and executions must be careful according to the advances and process of the elements that compose it, to be finally directed according to the standards considered in the evaluation of long-distance courses. 5 possible questions about this video. First one, what does assessment mean for learning in the e-learning model? Second, what are the fundamental parameters that ensure the validity and success of an articulate and structured evaluation? Third, what are the relevant evaluation skills according to the CFR? Fourth, what evaluation strategies can be carried out for learning in the e-learning model? Finally, 5, what do synchronous media and asynchronous media mean? Okay, dear partner, that is all. Thank you to watch my video. Goodbye.